Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Lexus front plate is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for Lexus owners, enhancing the vehicle's aesthetics and potentially offering added protection to the front bumper. This video will delve into the various aspects of choosing the right front license plate for your Lexus, from materials and designs to installation methods and legal considerations, ensuring you make an informed decision that perfectly complements your luxury vehicle and adheres to all local regulations. We will explore different options, compare prices, and ultimately help you find the ideal front license plate to showcase your Lexus with style and confidence. Number 5. iJDMTOY Lexus Tow Hook Kit. This kit is designed for a clean, custom look. It's compatible with various Lexus models, offering a simple way to relocate your license plate. It's built with heavy-duty, powder-coated steel for superior strength and durability. Unlike cheaper alternatives, it's made to last. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove the tow hook cover, attach the adapter, and mount your license plate. No modifications needed. With 8 mounting locations, you can find the perfect spot to avoid obstructing vents, lights, or sensors. Adjust the angle for a perfect fit. This kit gives your Lexus a more aggressive stance by relocating the license plate. It's a great way to personalize your vehicle. It also provides an optional mounting point for a front-facing camera, adding functionality and safety. What we like. It boasts a robust build, ensuring lasting durability. Its adjustable angle allows for a perfect fit and aggressive look. If you value easy installation and a tough, customized look, this is the one for you. What people say. Product was easy to install and very firmly in place. I was relieved it fit. It was easy to assemble and install. I would recommend this over the clip-on front mount that Lexus provides for the vehicles. The only downside is having a spouse who wants everything perfect on her car. It wasn't centered like the Lexus clip-on mount. I like it, it's sturdy, it's a must-buy for those of you looking to replace the clip-on mount. Before buying, I saw a bunch of PPL saying that there would be a huge gap between the plate and bumper, but mine isn't the case. I think it fits perfectly, and gives it that JDM feel. I got around a 1 in clearance, but that might depend on the model trim. Number 4. Lexus License Plate Bracket. This bracket is perfectly designed for Lexus models from 2000 to 2025. It's the right size for US and Canadian plates, ensuring you stay street legal and avoid costly fines. It's made from durable, rust-proof plastic to protect your car's finish. The sturdy design ensures it will last, and the metal plate won't scratch your paint. Everything you need is included: 6 secure screws, a wrench, and the bracket itself. Installation is a breeze, even if you need to drill additional holes. Simply align it with your bumper's existing holes, attach it with the long screws, and then mount your license plate using the shorter screws. The included wrench makes it even easier. We're dedicated to providing high-quality car accessories made with safe, non-toxic materials. This bracket is built to last and enhance your Lexus. What we like. This option provides a perfect fit for your vehicle, and its high-quality materials guarantee longevity. The easy installation process saves you time and effort. If you prioritize a seamless fit and hassle-free installation, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is very flexible to use with a variation of space between the holes of most vehicles. Fantastic option. Worked great on a 2019 RX 350L. Fits as promised on my 2007 Lexus ES 350. Number 3. Lexus IS Tow Hook Mount. This sleek and durable mount is designed specifically for your Lexus IS, providing a clean and secure way to mount your license plate. It's easy to install with the included wrench kit and extra screw caps. Everything you need is right in the box. The kit includes the mounting bracket, unique screws, and 4 black screw caps for a finished look. With 14 different mounting options, it's easy to find the perfect fit for your vehicle and preferences. It's a perfect fit for Lexus IS models from 2016 to 2023. Upgrade your vehicle's look today. It's made from high-quality materials to ensure a secure and long-lasting mount for your license plate. What we like. This offers a unique mounting point and comes with everything you need for a straightforward installation. The multiple mounting options ensure a perfect fit. If you prefer a tow hook mount and value convenience, this is the perfect option. What people say. Perfect if you don't want to ruin that beautiful grill. Easy installation right out the package. Put this on my 2019 is300 and have no problem with the installation, and it looks great. 2018 Lexus is300 Sport, easy to install, like how you can maneuver it around to angle it to your liking. Number 2. Lexus Chrome License Plate. This stylish license plate is a must-have for any Lexus owner. It's made of high-quality stainless steel with a stunning chrome finish. Notice the detail. The embossed Lexus name adds a touch of luxury and sophistication. It really makes it stand out. It's built to last. This plate is crafted from solid stainless steel for superior durability and a long-lasting shine. This is a high-quality product made right here in the USA. It's hard to find this kind of craftsmanship these days. The included chrome screw covers add to its sleek look and also act as a theft deterrent. They're a nice added security feature. It's the perfect size at 12 by 4 inches. It fits perfectly and is easy to install. We stand behind our product. It comes with a factory limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. It adds a touch of elegance with its 3D Lexus name and premium chrome steel construction. The made in USA quality ensures superior craftsmanship. If you appreciate high quality, American-made accessories, this is a great option. What people say. License plate appears to be of good quality metal. It came with mounting screws and caps to give it a nice polished finish. It also had the genuine Toyota product sticker on the back. High quality. Arrived promptly. And makes the car look finished since there were already plate holes in the bumper. Easy install, good quality, looks great. Number 1. Au-Tomotive Lexus Plate. This isn't just a license plate, it's a statement. It's a stylish way to show your Lexus pride. Notice the stunning, three-dimensional Lexus logo. The black acrylic infill really makes it pop. It's made of durable chrome stainless steel, built to last. This is a quality you can feel. This plate is made in the USA, a testament to its quality and craftsmanship. Find that in today's market. It comes with everything you need for easy installation, including screws and stylish chrome covers. These covers also help deter theft. We're so confident in its quality, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Drive with confidence. It's the standard 12 by 6 inch size, so it fits perfectly on your Lexus. It's the perfect fit. What we like. This option offers a stylish 3D Lexus logo with a sleek black infill, adding a unique touch to your vehicle. The chrome steel construction ensures durability and a premium look. If you want a stylish and durable plate with a unique design, this is for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.